Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is section 6.1, and today we're going to start off by simplifying quadratic expressions. The quadratic expressions that are on the front board are factored, and so we want to expand them back out. So I'll start with number 1. First, we need to recognize that if something is being squared, it's being multiplied by itself twice. Now that I have s plus 3 times s plus 3, I'm going to use FOIL, first, outer, inner, last, to multiply these two polynomials together. First, outer, gives me s squared plus 3s. Inner and last gives me 3s plus 9. And notice that I have two terms that are the same that I can combine. My final solution is s squared plus 6s plus 9. We're going to do that same operation for number 2. First, let's rewrite as being multiplied by itself twice. And again, we're going to multiply first, outer, inner, last, and we end up with 16h squared minus 12hk minus 12hk plus 9k squared. Again, I have two like terms in the middle here that I can combine, and I end up with 16h squared minus 24hk plus 9k squared. All right, I'm going to move my screen up a little bit, so make sure you have that much written down. Oops. Let's look at number 3. Now, first notice that I have a squared function and a distribution. Order of operations says I must take care of my exponent first. So I'm going to rewrite this as 4 times 5 minus j times 5 minus j. And I am going to FOIL as usual. First, 5 times 5 is 25. Outer, 5 times negative j is a negative 5j. Inner, a negative 5j. And outer plus j squared. Again, I'm always going to look at these two middle terms and notice that I can combine them. And I get 25 minus 10j plus j squared. Now, I'm almost done, but I need to distribute this 4 all the way through my parenthesis. So my final step is going to give me 100 minus 40j plus 4j squared. And I am done. Let's try number 4 together. What do you notice about it? I have two polynomials that are exactly the same. So I can combine them together to get 2 3m plus 2 squared, because I have two of those. Now I'm going to go through the operations that I just did above. I'd like you to go ahead and try this number 4 for tomorrow. And bring that on a separate sheet of paper for me. But before you go, let's go ahead and talk about 5 and 6. Number 5 is going to deal with some fractions, but we do it the exact same way. I'm going to write 6p minus 1/2 times 6p minus 1/2. And again, I'm going to use FOIL. I get 36p squared. 1/2 times 6 gives me a negative 3p. Negative 1/2 times 6 gives me a negative 3p. And a negative times a negative gives me a positive 1/4. Again, my like terms are in the middle, and I can combine them to get 36p squared minus 6p plus 1/4. All right, let's look at number 6. To solve for k, I need to know what multiplied by itself gives me 81. And so right here, if I'm following the format that ax squared plus 2kx plus k squared equals x plus k, here tell me, what does k have to equal to? It's better not to set k squared equal to 81 because there we have two solutions, a positive 9 and a negative 9. So I'm going to set this 2k equal to the 18. And I say 2k equals 18, and that shows me what sign k has, and it's obviously a positive 9. Now on your sheet of paper for tomorrow morning, you're doing number 4, and I'd like you to look at this box right here and tell me the area of the unshaded region. So you're going to need to find the area of the big box, the area of the little box, and subtract those to find the area of the unshaded region for me, and I'll see you tomorrow.